Hello, friends. So today we're going to talk about earning and receiving money. The Cub. Students will know how to define the word gift. Students will understand the difference between earning money and receiving money as a gift. And this is your job for today. Students will be able to create an anchor chart sorting pictures into two groups, which are earning money and receiving money as a gift. Vocabulary. The first vocabulary word we have is money earned. Can you say that? Money earned. And that's when money that is received for a good or a service, like mowing the lawn, giving a dog a bath, and even selling goods like lemonade or candy or maybe crops. Then we have jobs. Can you say jobs? Where you work to get paid. Our next vocabulary word, which is kind of new, is money given. Can you say that? Money given. And money given is money that is received as a gift. Like you might receive money for your birthday, or your parents might sometimes give you $1 to buy you things that you might want from the store. Okay. Now, the difference between money earned and money given is when money is earned, okay, you're doing a job or you're performing a task or you're selling something, okay? Now, when money is given, it's a gift. So you don't have to do anything for it. Someone just decided to be nice and gave it to you, okay? Then we have skills. Can you say skills? Skills is a specific ability, okay? For example, this firefighter, one of his skills, he has to learn how to climb a ladder. He has to learn how to attach a water hose to a hydrant. That's another skill. And then he also has to know how to drive a fire truck. Okay. And then we have income. Can you say income? The amount of money a person receives for a job. Good. All right. This is a turn and talk question. What are some ways that you can earn money? Go ahead and pause the video and talk about that now. Ways you can earn money is by maybe helping someone in the garden, doing a job like that, or by doing chores like washing dishes, or by selling goods like lemonade. Earning money to use it. So like we've discussed before, you can earn money by doing chores, sweeping, or doing dishes, helping someone out in the garden, or selling items. We talked about that already. Now, receiving money as a gift, okay? When you receive money as a gift or money given, they give you money for your birthday, or your parents might just want to be nice to you and say, oh, here's some money, go buy you some ice cream, or go buy you some toys or something that you might like. Or you can get money as a graduation gift, okay? So I'm not sure if you might have seen maybe an older cousin graduate, or sometimes in kindergarten, you graduate and go to first grade, okay? Those are money given to you. That's money given to you as a gift. So let's practice determining whether a child is earning income or is receiving it as a gift. All right. So we see a boy who has a graduation hat on. So he has graduated. So did he earn money or did he receive it as a gift? Did he do a job for it, or is it just a gift? Is money given is received as a gift? Remember, we talked about money received as a gift for graduation. Okay, that's celebrating your accomplishment. Okay, he didn't have to do a job for that. All right. Let's look at this picture. Okay, so we have a girl with a basket of crops, and then we have a woman giving her money. Now, is she earning her money, or is she receiving the money as a gift? She is earning money because she's selling a good, and the good that she's selling is are crops, okay, tomatoes. All right, now let's sort these pictures into money that is earned. And this says earn. Can you say earn? Earn. Good. And then this says gift. Can you say gift? Gift. Okay. So earn, I'll just put the vocabulary money earned so it can remind you that earning money means money that is received for a good or a service. Okay. That means you're doing work for money. Okay. And I put money given under gift because it's money that's given to you as a gift. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. Let's look at this picture. We have a boy that is sweeping his front porch. Now, is he earning money or is he receiving money as a gift? If you think he's earning money, give me a thumbs up. If you think he's receiving money as a gift, give me a thumbs down. Okay, if you have a thumbs up, you are correct. He is earning money because he's doing a job. Good job. All right, let's look here. There was a boy and he has a rake in his hand, so he was raking leaves. So you can see this man is giving him money. Now, did he earn his money or did he receive his money as a gift? If you think he earned money, stand up. If you think he received money as a gift, stay sitting down. If he earned money, stand up. Okay. If he received money as a gift, stay sitting down. If you are standing up, you are correct. He earned his money because he did a job to receive money. Good. All right, let's look at this picture. You can see a mom giving her son money for his graduation. Okay, for his graduation. Now, did he earn his money or was it received as a gift? If you think he earned his money, give me a thumbs up. If you think he received his money as a gift, give me a thumbs down. If he earned his money, the boy right here, okay, receiving money for graduating. If you think he earned his money, give me a thumbs up. If you think he received his money as a gift, give me a thumbs down. All right. If your thumb is down, you are correct. Good job. Awesome job. Okay. He received his money as a gift. And if you notice, you can see that there's a card here. And, you know, sometimes for your birthday, you might get a birthday card. But in this case, he actually got a celebratory card because he's graduating. He got a graduation card. Okay. All right. Last picture. All right. This is a grandma and her granddaughter. Okay. And her granddaughter wants an apple. Okay. She wants an apple. So you can see the grandma giving her money. Okay. Now, did she earn that money? Did she do a job to get that money? Or did she receive it as a gift? Okay. Or did her grandma just want to give her money so she can get something that she wants? If you think she earned her money, okay, stand up. If you think she received her money as a gift, stay sitting down. Okay. The girl right here, did she earn her money or did she receive it as a gift? Okay. It's her grandma giving her money to buy an apple. Remember, if you think she earned money, you're going to stand up. If you think she received it as a gift, you're going to stay sitting down. If you are sitting down, you are correct, okay? Because she did not have to do a job for her grandma to give her money to buy the apple that she wanted, okay? All right, now you're going to complete your Nearpod assignment on earning and receiving money. Remember, earning money is when you work for money, and receiving money is when you do not work for money. Someone just gives it to you, okay? Make sure you're paying attention and you're listening. Good luck.